Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'd like to welcome to another brand new vlog and a case study. Just to let you know, I'm a Google partner and Microsoft certified advising professional and owner of a Google partner company and Facebook certified marketing specialist. So I run a digital marketing agency, and here we are with a new case study regarding Microsoft account, Bing Ads account, which was suspended for egregious violation. One of the very difficult violation either in Google Ads or either in Facebook or in Microsoft Bing ads, the egregious violation is one of the very strict. Google is very strict on your account suspension. So I like to share you some data, and then what we did was, this was issue to us. That the account which was started, being the details were being provided by the client to us, and it was on 28th February. Right now it's 28th March, and we got it recovered. So we started a new Bing Ads campaign to a new domain. Added someone as a contractor on Ukraine. The client, the client added someone as a contractor. The contractor is like an account manager who used to manage the account. Account stopped showing ads briefly Monday. So it was like after running for 4 to 5 days, the account was into the suspension stage. And then what they did was they added a custom button tracking on landing page, and the website was then being suspended on 8th March, Friday, 8:55 a.m. They also have an other Bing account which was also suspended at the same time. It was attached to MCC of another contractor and had the Ukrainian contractor. So it was attached to two client managers on Bing Ads, and it was being done on December 14th. So all the trouble they thought is could be someone adding as account manager to their account, and that could be the reason. Okay, so you know what observations was done, that they do not have any appeal done yet on the account. They removed the Ukrainian contractor. Okay, so they are saying that he do not have the option to remove himself, and other contractors were also being removed from the both of the accounts. So let me show you further data as well, so you guys have an idea. So just to let you know that the account was 5 years old. So if an account is a 5 years old, it's an old account and is usually less restrictive and good to go with. So that was a surprise moment for us as well, because and then because when we thoroughly reviewed the website for suspension, the account was also being suspended in Google Ads compromised and circumventing system policy. So the ads were being disapproved over there. The account was not suspended on the Google, but the account was suspended on Bing. But on the Google, the account ads were being labeled as compromised site and circumventing system. So that was in a combined scenario over here, that the domain is suspended on Bing Ads and on Google Ads simultaneously as well. But the account was 5 years old, and when we did an all thorough check of the website, although there were few things which could be tweaked or optimized, but we do not find a serious violation to be labeled as egregious violation. So we were very surprised over this as well. So the account has billing verified. They did the billing as well, and they do have added almost $2,000 as a credit card payment, as an advance payment was being already done on the account. So that was another thing as well, that usually scammers do not add such amount on the account. So the account was legit, the client was legit, the website was legit. So there was no such anything which could have landed a serious violation such as this. So when we had to do three things. Bing Ads suspension for egregious violation, Google Ads compromised, and Google Ads circumventing system ads disapproval. So we had to do three check and balance together. So what we did was we looked on the website, we discussed on the things, and what we figured out, that also there was no major reason which could have done this, but we find some errors, or where we can improve on the wordings, the selection of words in the content. Because sometimes if you make a claim, let's say if I'm saying a story like lose 5 kgs in 30 days, the Bing or Google will not approve your ad, because they will say that how are you claiming that you're going to lose 5 kgs in 30? Do you have a scientific evidence or research to back up your claim? No. When you do not have, then you cannot make a claim. Okay, we have found a way, and that is we can work around with testimonials, and we can back up our claims through the testimonials, that people say that they have lose around 5 kgs in 30 days using this product. So I'm just giving you an example of an easy way to get it sorted. So we worked on the content, we also worked on the dead links, we also suggested some authority to be added, like contact number pages on the website. Then we also what we did further was, we worked on the privacy policy page, terms of service page, we improved the about us policy page. Then what we further did was, we linked with social media pages, like connecting the website with so Facebook, Instagram and YouTube channels. The channels were also being verified. The verified means that they do not have a blue click, but rather they have some sort of content and followership on their pages. So we did was we optimized the social media pages as well, and that is how then we asked our client manager for manual review on Bing Ads account. Okay, so then when there is a manual review, that manual review is almost not available to everyone. But being Google being certified, we have a Bing Ads manager directly from Bing. So we worked with him. We explained the changes. We explained what has been done on the account. We explained. We also showed some competitor websites as well. You can do the comparison to see where we are wrong or where they are wrong. And then finally there was a time, within few days, like almost in 72 hours, we got an email. The email back from Bing was that the suspension is removed. The client got it. Hello from Microsoft Advertising. As part of our community to safe and quality, we reviewed the decision to suspend your customer account and determined it was made in error. We have removed the suspension and your account is now live and eligible to serve in markets targeted where your content is compliant with the policy. We apologize for any inconvenience this has caused you or your business. Microsoft Advertising Trust and Safety Service. So yeah, we are with another successful case study regarding Microsoft Bing Ads account being restored. So in case if you are looking for Bing Ads restoration, if your Bing Ads are disapproved, if your Google Ads are being disapproved, if your Google Ads account is suspended, if your Google Metacenter account is suspended, if your Google Business Profile account is suspended, or in case if you are looking for PPC management on your Google Ads, Facebook Ads or Bing Ads account, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description to get started working with us, and we will love to work with you. And guys, in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you still have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this box, because the client was very happy. So this was another successful case study. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.